So I want to find a unit vector in the direction of v to begin with. So I have to find, in order to find the unit vector, the first thing I have to do is find the magnitude of v. And that's the square root of 5 squared plus 3 squared plus 1 squared. So that equals radical 35. So v is going to be, we know that v is 5, 3, negative 1. So my unit vector is going to be 1 over radical 35 times 5, 3, and negative 1. And actually, the unit vector in the opposite direction is just, remember, opposite direction is just times negative 1. So it's going to be negative 1 over radical 35 times 5, 3, negative 1. And we could also rationalize the denominator. I also want to find a vector v which has this magnitude in the same direction as u. So if I want to know the direction as u, the first thing I have to do is I have to find the unit vector in the direction of u. So the magnitude of u is 4 squared plus 6 squared plus 2 squared, square root of that, which is square root of 56, which equals 2 radical 14. And now I know that my u is going to be 1 over 2 radical 14 times negative 4, 6, 2, which is 1 over radical 14 times negative 2, 3, 1, because I divided each of these by 2. Now I want v, so v is going to be 7 over times 1 over radical 14, right, times negative 2, 3, 1, which gives me negative 14 over radical 14, 21 over radical 14, and 7 over radical 14.